Hey guys, so today we are going to be tackling the fridge, and only the fridge, which is going to be this top section here as well as these two drawers. I'm not going to be doing anything with the freezer section today because the fridge is the worst. We also need to get groceries within the next day or two, so it is very empty, which is the perfect time to do a clean like this. So basically I'm going to be pulling everything apart, cleaning it. I usually have these on top here because you can see, you see how like it doesn't hook, but it's like stuck back there. So when I grab something out, it stays. See, it moves a little bit, but it stays. That's why I like those hanging off the back there, but they can also do the same thing here. And we have a wall right here. So as you can tell by our setup, we are typically opening the right side for all of the things. I have like a leftover section here. I usually have a couple milks prepped up there, but I'm gonna flip it this time. I'm actually gonna put our milks on this side and just switch sides as well. So we're opening this left side to get the majority of our things. I just think that's gonna be easier. I'm actually doing another part of the video with cleaning, so you guys will see that on my channel soon as well. But today, this is what we are doing. We are going to pull everything out, clean everything, and reorganize it. A couple of these things are old and needs to go. I try to stay on top of it, so most of it is still good stuff. So I tried really hard to get it as empty as possible. We need to eat more apples. All right, let's do this. Woo, I jumped right in with the gross cucumbers. I definitely do make an effort to keep the fridge clean. I rarely take everything out all at one time though, like I'm gonna do today, but it needed to be done. This video is going to be great cleaning motivation for you. So if you have something you need to clean, get up and clean with me. All right, now that I got rid of old expired stuff, I'm going to pull all of the shelving out and clean that, wipe it all down, put it back in, reorganize, and that's gonna be a lot. So let's get to it. I don't know about you guys, but if I change the water filter in the fridge, I have to run ice through my ice maker and get rid of the first batch. It's just a must for me. Now, I definitely keep my fridge clean for the most part. However, I do not take my shelving out on a regular basis to clean it. Ooh, that came towards my face. That was definitely a lot more intense in the moment from my point of view. I know that shelf moves, but I didn't expect it to slide at my face. I thought I was holding it. Something I didn't realize until I was watching this video back was my tag was sticking out of my tank the entire video, and I had no idea. So enjoy that. So I'm trying to get this glass out, and first of all, this door doesn't open any farther, so it's already gonna hit there. And yeah, it just, the fridge is mad at me. Yeah, so it's not coming out. So I'm just gonna pull the glass out like I did and wipe all the way down here. It's not bad, but you see a little something back there I need to get. It's not horrible, but I still need to do it. Looks better already. That's just crammed there to be out of the way. Drawers, drawers, and the doors. Organizing is a lot of trial and error, moving shelves around, moving items around. It's just part of the organizing process, and I'm sure this will also change as time goes on and we adapt to the change in the fridge too. I'm obsessed with these squeeze bottles. I need to actually fill a ketchup too, because we don't have any in here, but I love these. This is the big one and the small one. I do the big one for the maple syrup, and I do mustard and ketchup in the smaller ones. The fridge is mad. The mustard's doing its thing. I do have this extra little glass container that the lid broke, so I have just the bottom, and it's a little bit too big. Kind of puts it at an angle, but that's okay. It just keeps it from sliding all around. So that's better. You can even slide it over there, keep these in line. Here's the final tour. So we got groceries, but we didn't go crazy. I really like having this nice big empty space for leftovers or for when I make food ahead of time. That's really important space for me. Yogurts, some little oranges and pouches. We have blueberries. I have some white and red wine. I love Apothic wine. And then some Ningxia red. We definitely go through a lot of milk. We have a lot of milk because we all drink the whole milk, and then I usually drink the oat milk as well. The only leftovers I have right now is some penne pasta. I know I was talking about keeping my overnight oats up top, but I actually like to keep them here on this left side now. That's where our overnight oats go. Cheese sticks open and separated are here to grab really easily. Eggs. And we have more cheese. So shredded, sliced, cracker cuts, and mozzarella. And then in here is sort of like the sandwichy type stuff.
We have ham, pickles,
This is where I keep the butter because it fits in there really well. I don't tend to keep a lot of fresh herbs, but when I do, it'll go on this side. So butter. Does anybody else like to keep the half sticks and the full sticks, just depending on what they're making, or is that like just me? On this side, we have the ice maker, or the ice bin. The ice maker's up there. We have the ice bin. I also just changed out the water filter, so when I wiped all that out, I also dumped out the first batch of ice as well and replaced that. We have Ningxia Nitro, Ningxia Red packets, and I really love, and I've always loved these Starbucks double shot espresso and cream. I always like having those if I don't want to make coffee. I've also really been loving this oat milk in my coffee as well, just side note. And then over here we have the whole condiment area. The fridge is mad at me. And then I use this every single day for my overnight oats. It's the maple syrup, which I love putting it in this container. It's larger than those two. So when I get a big bottle, I pour it into 2 of these, the 2 large ones, and it fits perfectly because they are 16 ounces here. In our meat drawer, I just have some chicken. And the produce drawer, finally have some onions, tomatoes, and zucchini, which are my favorite. Lemon, orange, grapefruit back there, a bunch of apples. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this fridge clean out with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.